Welcome to the video. Topic is balanced force and unbalanced force. Balanced force and unbalanced force. What is balanced force? The balanced force is those forces which are balanced. Those forces which are balanced and those forces which are not balanced are unbalanced force. And the balanced force does not cause the motion. Balanced force does not cause the motion, but unbalanced force causes the motion. See, first of all, write the definition of balanced force. Those forces which are balanced. Those forces which are balanced are called balanced force. Those forces which are balanced are called balanced force. And in case of balanced force, net force equal to 0. Net force equals to 0. Net force equals to 0 in case of balanced force. And balanced force does not cause the motion. Balanced force does not cause the motion. These are the 2 points which are you need to know about the balanced force. Net force in case of balanced force is 0 and the balanced force does not cause the motion. For example, this is a rectangular box. This is a rectangular box, and from this side 10 Newton force is applied, and from this side also 10 Newton force is applied. Then the body will not move. The position of the body will not move because from this side also 10 Newton force is applied and from this side also 10 Newton force is applied. So the body will be at rest. So there will be no motion. There will be no change in the position. So these forces are the balanced force. These forces are the balanced force. When 10 Newton force is applied in this body from this side and 10 Newton force is also applied in this body, in this rectangular body, then the body will not be in motion. The body will be at rest. So these two forces are balanced forces. You have seen an example, tug of war. In tug of war, people from this side, people from this side and people from this side are pulling the rope. People from this side are also pulling the rope and people from this side are also pulling the rope. So if people are pulling this rope with 100 Newton and people are also pulling this rope with 100 Newton force, then these forces are balanced force because the rope will be at rest. Rope will not change the position. Rope will not change the position. Here 2 people are applying 100 Newton force in this side and 2 people are applying 100 Newton force in this side. So the position of the rope will not be changed. So these are the balanced force. These are the balanced force or equal force You have to understand that in case of balanced force, there will be no change in the position of a body. There will be no change in the position of the body. Position of the body will not be changed. Now we'll write the definition of unbalanced force. Those forces which are not balanced. Those forces which are not balanced are called unbalanced forces. Those forces which are not balanced are called unbalanced forces. And in net force does not equals to 0. Net force does not equals to 0 in unbalanced force. In unbalanced force, here net force will not be equal to 0. Here net force will not be 0. Here in this case, in unbalanced force, net force will not be 0, and it causes the motion. It causes the motion. Unbalanced force causes the motion. Unbalanced force causes the motion. Causes the motion. See, in case of balanced force, net force equals to 0, but in case of unbalanced force, net force does not equals to 0. In case of balanced force, it does not cause the motion. In case of balanced force, does not cause the motion, but in case of unbalanced force, causes the motion. In case of unbalanced force, there is change in the position of a body. For example, take a rectangular body. And here 100 Newton force is applied from this side. 100 Newton force is applied from this side, and from this side only 50 Newton force is applied. Only 50 Newton force is applied. So the body will move from this position to this position. Body will change this position, because from this side 100 Newton force is applied, and from this side 50 Newton force is applied, and net force will be 50 Newton. Net force will be 100 minus 50 will be 50 Newton, and this body will change its position and it will go in this direction. The body will go in this direction. Because 100 Newton force is greater than 50 Newton. 100 Newton force is greater than 50 Newton. So body will change its position. And it will cover certain distance. So these 50 Newton and 100 Newton are unbalanced forces. These 50 Newton and 100 Newton forces are unbalanced forces. These 100 Newton and 50 Newton are unbalanced forces. So you can take simple example of tug of war. Here is two people, and they are pulling this rope with 1000 Newton. These two people are pulling this rope with 1000 Newton, and these two people are pulling this rope with 500 Newton. Then the rope will go in this side. That is 1000 Newton. Rope will cover its distance. Rope will go with the people having 1000 Newton force. Rope will not go in this direction. Rope will go in this direction, and the net force will be 1000 Newton minus 500 Newton. Net force will be 500 Newton. So this is the example of tug of war, and these are unbalanced forces. Or we can also say unequal force. So it causes the motion. Unbalanced force causes the motion of a body. Thank you for watching the video.